Myself Diya Lulla. I am from Mac Health Sciences. It's a new venture. Mac Pharmatech ani past 25 years nunchi we are in the pharma industry, ma'am. Now that we have entered into the veterinary area, so now we have started Mac Health Science new venture, our new venture, in which we deal with poultry feed supplements, poultry AGP and feed additives. So we are into this from past 2 years. Here we have developed so much. Last year we only dealt with cattle feed supplements. Now that we have deeply concentrated on poultry feed additives and AGP. ఫార్మర్స్ నుంచి మాకు లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ బాగా రిపోర్ట్ వచ్చింది అంటే ఎస్ we got a good rapport and also we got very big leads also.